To trade the Nas100 on Oanda, start by opening an account with Oanda and funding it. The Nas100 is a popular index that tracks the performance of the Nasdaq 100, which includes 100 of the largest and most actively traded non-financial stocks on the Nasdaq stock exchange. First, log into your Oanda account and navigate to the trading platform. The Nas100 can be found under the Indices or Market section, depending on the platform you are using. Once you have located the Nas100, click on it to open the trading window. In the trading window, you will see the current price of the Nas100, as well as other relevant information such as the bid and ask prices, and the spread. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask prices, and it is a key factor to consider when trading. To place a trade, you will need to decide whether you want to buy or sell the Nas100. If you think the price of the Nas100 will go up, you should buy, and if you think it will go down, you should sell. You will also need to decide on the size of your trade, which is the amount of money you are willing to risk. When placing a trade, you should also consider setting a stop loss and a take profit. A stop loss is in order to close your trade if it reaches a certain price, and it can help limit your losses if the trade does not go in your favor. A take profit is in order to close your trade if it reaches a certain price, and it can help you lock in your profits if the trade is successful. It is also important to keep an eye on market news and events that may affect the price of the Nas100. This includes economic indicators, earnings reports, and other news that may impact the stocks that make up the index. Best practices for trading the Nas100 on Oanda include starting with a small trade size and gradually increasing it as you gain experience and confidence. It is also important to have a clear trading plan and to stick to it, rather than making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Additionally, it is recommended to use technical and fundamental analysis to inform your trading decisions. Technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to identify trends and predict future price movements, while fundamental analysis involves studying the underlying factors that affect the price of the Nas100, such as economic indicators and company performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can trade the Nas100 on Oanda effectively and make informed decisions about your trades. Remember to always manage your risk and to stay up to date with market news and events that may affect the price of the Nas100.